I can't have you, I don't want you to have anyone. And if you don't want me, there's something wrong with them, right? Maybe I got...
Hey everyone, welcome. I am Alejandra and today I'm bringing you some laundry motivation. I hope you guys are ready to tackle your laundry with me. Also, I'm excited because today's video is actually one load a day, which means every day I went ahead and did a load of laundry. And this was awesome because it did help me with my anxiety. You guys know last week I was struggling with anxiety, especially when it comes to laundry. It was just too much at the same time and it just got me so overwhelmed. If you didn't watch that video, I will have it linked here in the description for you guys. Go ahead and watch it, especially if you suffer with anxiety. You guys, laundry just gives me so much anxiety. And if you're like that, you know what? I feel like if you tackle one load a day, it's going to make your life so much easier.
Problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. Packing all your belongings. Say you wanna take some time. But if you say we'll meet again, why'd you have to take everything now? Baby, are you lying? Have you met someone? Tell me now. I better start crying.
Okay guys, and today's video is in collaboration with my best friend here on YouTube. Her name is Valverde. I will have her YouTube channel linked in the description for you guys. But let me tell you a little bit about her. She makes tons of cleaning motivation videos, laundry videos, Target hauls. This woman does it all. You guys definitely have to go check her out. Like I said, I will have all her information in the description. Go subscribe to her channel, show her some love, and let her know that you guys are coming from my channel.
Make them feel bad before we leave town. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say, and then I lose it. I'm delusional, you say. Why hasn't he called me back? It's been 3 days. Stalking his Instagram, saying he's in a phase. So now you're telling everyone that we're drifting apart.
If you're new here, welcome. I am Alejandra and this channel is my laundry channel. Over here, you're going to find tons of laundry motivation and only that. If you're also looking for some cleaning motivation, go ahead and check out my main channel, which is a cleaning channel. Over there, I do tons of cleaning motivation. So I decided to split the two because I know not everybody likes both. So if you enjoy this content, just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoy cleaning channels, go ahead and subscribe to that channel and become part of my YouTube family.
Now I know that it was you who made me feel so messed up. Hanging out with new females, cute, but are they even real, man? Jealousy, I think it's jealousy, but hell with it, still a good melody. Or maybe I got problems that I don't tell anyone. Have I lost my perception? Feel like I wanna do something wrong now. 10, 9, counting down, putting on a smile. 8, 7, 6, 5. You say goodbye, lock the door for 3, 2, 1, and then
Okay guys, so today I'm going to be reviewing the Method laundry detergent. I got the detergent and also the booster beads, and let me tell you, this is one of my favorite detergents. It's not brand new to me. I've tried it before, but I wanted to review it for you guys. The scent is ginger mango and it is so good, you guys. I love the scent. The beads are the same scent. I like to sometimes like just match the beads with the laundry detergent. I just feel like you get like a better scent on your clothes. So let me tell you, this is one of my favorite laundry detergents. I love that if you're looking for something with less chemicals, that's a little bit better for like even sensitive skin, I definitely recommend this. I've said it in my cleaning channel when I used to do laundry videos. One of my daughters has eczema, and this works great for her eczema. It has never made it worse, and I like that. I know I've tried so many other detergents and sometimes her eczema just flares up. So I like that this method is pretty sensitive for even kids with eczema. Now that's just my kid. I know every kid is different. So just be careful when you do test it out, especially if you have little ones that suffer from eczema. This is a very good detergent in my opinion, because I know it could be a little bit more expensive than others, but I mean, you do get 66 loads. And I always tell you guys, like a little bit goes a long way. So if you're interested in trying this detergent, you can find it at Target. That's where I found it. I think Walmart's starting to like carry this brand too. I'm not 100% sure. If you can find it at Walmart, let me know in the comments. But for sure, you can find it at Target.
Doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. 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 All that time away from you, I didn't think I'd make it without you by my side. Let me feel your love again. Just the two of us, and we could stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do, staying up all night. Everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. 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 Wanna be with, 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 wanna. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. Let me be. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you make me feel. I wanna be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. I wanna be with you. Be with you. Be with you.
my gosh, you guys, as I'm editing today's video, I can see that I'm literally wearing either black leggings or black with gray leggings, but they all kind of look the same, and I promise they're not the same. They are different pairs every time. You know what? I've been on like a legging kind of mood. I just want to be with leggings all day long. Let me know in the comments if you're a mom and if you can relate. I don't know if it's a mom thing. I don't know. I have no idea what it is, but I am just loving my leggings. Now, I do buy a lot of black leggings. I have a brand that I love from Costco. They are so soft. I think they're called Daskin. Oh, I love that brand, you guys. They're so soft. So whenever I find them, I buy a ton of them because I already know I love how soft they are. So it's like a win-win. So even though they're black, they're not the same one, you guys. I promise.
Let me go, go, let me go, go, let me go.
I told you I'm not yours anymore. No, I'm not yours. So why you trying to hold on when I'm not there for you? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me. So let go, go, let me go, go, let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, go, let me go, go, let me go, 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 let me go, go, go. Don't call me, I don't wanna talk to you. I'm better off not talking to you. But why you trying to hold on, to hold on, to hold on? Wanna take a different lane, wanna play my own game, and I don't need you here. So won't you let me go? Wanna take this ball and chain that you have put on me and throw it out the window. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I should have known, I should have known you are not right for me. So let go, so let me go, so let me go. You are not right for me. So let go, let me go, go, let me go, go. Let me go, let me go, let me go, go, let me go, go, let me go, 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 let me go, go, go. I told you I'm not yours. So why are you trying to hold on? I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. Let go. I think that you should let go, 'cause you know this is not meant to be. Let go. Maybe I should have known that you are not the right one for me. You are not right for me, so let go.
Okay, guys, let me know in the comments, what is the one thing you guys like from laundry motivation videos? Is it the folding? Is it the washing the clothes? Is it the detergents that we use? Let me know in the comments. I'm always very curious. I am almost all done with today's laundry motivation. I hope this video gave you some motivation to tackle some laundry with me. If it did, please don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps on my channel. If you're new, I hope you consider subscribing and becoming part of my YouTube family. And thank you so much for stopping by and just hanging out with me today.
I had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason. But it's like something feels different from back then. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to?
Okay, guys, so I already folded the towels. I'm gonna store them right now. I'm gonna put them away. And I'm gonna show you where I put them. I put them underneath the girls' sink. But really quick, I roll them instead of like folding them, because that way, as you can see, they can just come, grab it, and go. They don't have to like mess with, like, they take one out. Like if I was to lay them flat, they take one out, and then, you know, like they start like shaking and stuff. And then like sometimes a whole lot of them just fall on you. Like this, it's so much easier. So I definitely recommend it if you have kids. It just makes life so much easier.
Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette